Today we are going to learn something super useful, possessive adjectives in Spanish. Why is this important? Because you need them all the time in daily life. Imagine saying my phone, your house, or friend. Without them, you literally can't talk about things that belongs to you or someone else. So let's make it easy. The structure of the video is going to be so simple. First, we are going to see the singular ones and the examples, and after that, plural form and the examples. Now, let's start with singular forms. If the object is just one thing, we use those words. Mi, tú, su, nuestro or nuestra, vuestro or vuestra. Let's repeat. Mi, tú, su, nuestro or nuestra, vuestro or vuestra. Let's see some examples. First one, mi casa, mi casa. Remember that this is a singular form, so we say mi casa because it's only one house and it's mine. Mi casa. Then we have tu perro, tu perro. Or su coche, su coche. Is his or her car, su coche. Nuestra mesa, es nuestra, it's our table. Or vuestro libro, your book. Really hope that you understand the first part. I think it's very simple to understand actually a singular form. Mi, tú, su, nuestro, nuestra, vuestro, vuestra. It's only practice a little bit, guys. Now, let's see plural form. And now, if the object is more than one thing, like more than one, we must use this form, the plural form. Let's see what we got here. Mis, tus, sus, nuestros or nuestras, vuestros or vuestras. Let's repeat again. Mis, tus, sus, nuestros or nuestras, vuestros or vuestras. Let's see the examples to help you to understand it better. First one, mis amigos. Why mis and not me? Because it's more than one amigo, so we use mis. Then we got tus zapatos. Tus zapatos. It's more than one, so tus zapatos. Sus coches. Sus coches. Nuestros libros. Nuestros libros. And the last one, vuestras casas. Vuestras casas, because you have more than one house. Vuestras casas. Now, for the final part of the video, we are going to see some examples of everything together. First, examples of me and mis. First sentence, the singular one. Mi perro es muy grande. Mi perro es muy grande. Then we have the plural one. Mis amigos juegan al fútbol. Mis amigos juegan al fútbol. Then we have tú and tus. Remember, tú singular, tus plural. Example for tú: tu casa es bonita. Tu casa es bonita. The example of the plural one, tus: tus libros están en la mesa. Next one, su and sus. Let's start with a singular example. Su problema es complicado. His, her, their, your problem is complicated. And the plural one, sus hijos viven en México. Nuestro, nuestra, singular one. Nuestros, nuestras, plural one. Singular example. Nuestra profesora es simpática. Nuestra profesora es simpática. An example of the plural one. Nuestros coches son rápidos. Nuestros coches son rápidos. And the last one, vuestro or vuestra, singular form, or vuestros and vuestras, a plural form. Let's start with the example of the singular one. Vuestra comida está lista. Vuestra comida está lista. And the last example, vuestras amigas vienen esta tarde. Vuestras amigas vienen esta tarde. And well guys, muchas gracias por ver el video. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe for more. Share if you can with your friends. That will help me a lot. And over here you have like an email if you want to contact me because you need help with your Spanish. Obviously everything is for free. An email used to drop some questions. If you have some questions about this video or whatever, you can just text me. Feel free to text me anytime. Thank you so much and have a lovely day. Bye.